gonna open one of these military surplus spam cans, I guess they call them. Never opened this type before. It's supposed to be like 1,440 rounds in each combined, so 720 in each one. Let's see what happens here. Get this thing out of here. Without busting the table. Kind of looking forward to opening this. I've never, like I said, never opened one before, so. Even come with a, looks like a sardine key opener, can opener. Put a tab over here, you can see. I think this stuff is from like early to mid 70s. It's corrosive 762 by 39. Only gonna open the one can today. Cans almost look like they're fairly corroded, so hopefully nothing's got inside, that's for sure. Looks like they're well sealed. You can see there's some rust there. It probably got wet at some point. This is Chinese surplus. Turning a little bit of pain in the ass here. A little smoother than I thought, actually. Let's go there. All that shit all over the place, that white stuff. Alright. It looks like it's not going to be on stripper clips. See what it looks like here. Yay, ammo. It's just packed loose in paper. It's like copper washed, steel cased. I'm not sure they'd have a steel core or not, or rather they're lead core. It says 3171, so by the sounds of it or the looks of it, it was made in 1971. Make sure you smell the can when you open it so you know what the 70s smell like. Open another one here. Night. So there's a bee flying around. Anyway, so close up of it. Looks like the bullet's got the red sealant on it. The primer has a bit too, but it's discolored. So there you have it. 1971 ammunition. Hopefully it fires well.